In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to live stream on TikTok PC. To get started, head over to TikTok and first make sure your account is actually eligible to go live. This is important because not every account will have live access right away. In general, your account should be in good standing, you should meet the minimum age requirement for your region, and you may also need to have the required follower count if that applies to your account. Once you've confirmed that, the next thing you'll want to do is download TikTok Live Studio from TikTok's official website. This is the recommended software for live streaming to TikTok from a PC, and it's designed specifically to make the setup process easier. After the download is finished, open the installer and follow the setup wizard to install the software on your computer. When the installation is complete, go ahead and launch TikTok Live Studio, then sign in with your TikTok account. At this point, the software should automatically verify whether your account has live access. During the initial setup, TikTok Live Studio may ask you to configure your camera, microphone, audio devices, and streaming quality. Take your time here and choose the devices you actually want to use for your stream. A good setup now can save you from technical issues later. Next, create a new scene. Scenes help you organize the look of your live stream depending on the type of content you're making. For example, you might set up a webcam-only layout, a gameplay scene, a screen share, a presentation view, or a simple talking head stream. If you want viewers to see you on camera, click Add Source, choose Camera, select your webcam, and then resize and position it wherever you want on the screen. If you also want to share your desktop, click Add Source again, select Screen Capture, choose the monitor or a specific application window you want to display, and confirm your selection. After that, configure your audio by adding your microphone input and desktop audio. Make sure to test the levels carefully so they sound clear and don't clip into the red zone. Clean audio is one of the most important parts of a good live stream. You can then customize your stream with text overlays, images, alerts, backgrounds, or other branding elements to make everything look more polished and professional. Before you go live, set a clear stream title that tells viewers exactly what your broadcast is about. Also, check your internet connection. A stable connection is key, and if possible, use Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi. It also helps to close unnecessary apps or downloads in the background. Before starting, preview the stream and double-check your camera, microphone, screen sharing, and overlays. Once everything looks good, click Go Live to begin broadcasting. While you're live, interact with your audience by responding to comments, answering questions, acknowledging viewers, and encouraging engagement. When you're done, click End Live, confirm it, and review any stream statistics that are available. After that, take a look at your performance metrics like peak viewers, watch time, engagement, and new followers so you can improve your future streams.